In her awesome workshop, third grader Lucy Weisenhower created Miss Roberta 3000, an edubot who knows all there is to know about healthy habits. Now, along with Glenn and his talking dog DOG, the team makes their way anywhere kids need help with a health-related problem. And it all started in
Lucy's Workshop!
Episode 3, Zoe's Fall. Otherwise known as, I'm not joking, why does my head feel funny? Meanwhile, back in Lucy's workshop.
Miss Roberta, I love that big, beautiful brain of yours. And with my Brain Booster 5000 update, you'll be running better than ever.
I wish you could update my brain to not think about tacos all day.
Alert!
DOG, a kid needs our help ASAP?
Zoe hit her head at recess!
Lucy, she could have a concussion. We have to help.
I'm just finishing up.
I'm alive and ready to assist.
Good, because we have a playground we need to get to. Portal, please, Miss Roberta.
After you, my healthy habit all-stars.
Woo! Hey! Woo!
Okay.
Hi, Zoe. I'm Lucy, and these are my friends, Glenn, DOG, and Miss Roberta.
We heard you hit your head.
I fell off the monkey bars.
Monkeys?
Not now, DOG.
Are you okay, Zoe?
I feel funny.
Miss Roberta, your concussion checklist, please.
Ooh, good idea, Lucy.
Zoe, do you feel sick? Does your head hurt?
Yeah.
Do you feel dizzy? Is your vision blurry?
Uh-huh.
Are you tired? Does light make you flinch?
Yeah.
Are you sick to your stomach? Or confused? Just a smidge?
I don't think so.
It could be a concussion. We need to tell a grown-up.
But why can't I go play?
Good question, Zoe. Ready, gang? Woo! Hey!
Oh, yes! Your brain is so important. It's how you think and learn.
So if you hit your head, it's cause for great concern.
You need to tell a grown-up so you can get checked out.
Because head injuries are serious, of this there is no doubt.
If you have a concussion, you'll really need to rest.
To get better fast, take it slow. That's what's best.
Your brain can heal itself, but it might take some time.
That's why it's so important to listen to this rhyme.
I think I'd better see the school nurse.
I'll take you, Zoe.
Bye, Zoe.
Bye-bye, Zoe.
Bye, Zoe. Get some rest.
Bye. I'll feel better soon. Thanks, guys.
Uh-oh. We have to get to soccer practice, Lucy.
Back to Lucy's workshop.
DOG, what are you doing?
Looking for the monkeys.
It's monkey bars.
Oh, I knew that.
We can't forget our helmets, Glenn.
Now keep those noggins safe, kids.
Bye, DOG and Miss Roberta.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
So today, it looks like Zoe learned it's important to tell a grown-up if you hit your head, even if you'd rather go play. Lucy and Glenn got to soccer practice with their noggins in perfect condition. And DOG realized that, unfortunately, monkey bars aren't as jungly as they might sound. Yep, it's just another day in
Lucy's Workshop!